Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening EA Fc25 and loading the squad. Go straight to Club Hub and tap Training Plan. Choose which player or group you want to develop and pick a template, attacking, defensive, or balanced, so the plan matches role priorities. Once done, set the duration. Use 1 week for short bursts, 3 weeks for steady progress, or custom days if you need precision. Make sure to enable intensity sliders. This affects fitness and growth rates, so choose according to upcoming fixtures. You now customize sessions to target the exact attributes you want. Open the session editor and pick intensity, low, medium, high, because intensity trades growth for fatigue. Then assign drills like passing, shooting, or positioning to shift XP into those traits. Use individual focus to prioritize a single player's weak spots and split squad sessions when balancing starters and reserves. While editing, watch the projected attribute gains and match fitness bars. Adjust session order. You finish by reviewing the summary screen. Check projected attribute gains, current fitness, injury risk, and rotation needs. Then lock the plan so changes don't accidentally override it. Schedule at least 1 rest day every 7 days and set light sessions before important matches. Make sure to monitor weekly reports and tweak targets as needed. If fatigue or injuries increase, immediately lower intensity or insert rest days. Doing so prevents long-term loss of form and keeps progression steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.